Morning guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going tailor fishing. It's about 5:30 in the morning and we're about to hit the ramp, so yeah, stay tuned. How is the conditions on it this morning? We're out in the Swan River with the missus.
Hey.
Hopefully we can get some tailor, some mulloway. Stay tuned. Alrighty. Probably going to change up my approach. Go for a flick, maybe with a... We'll go with an 85. Try the Sly Dog 85. Give that a go. Alrighty, so no luck on just muleys, so we're gonna start doing a little trawl around, try to hit up some bit of fluff on the sounder and chase the seagulls, see if we can get anything. So I only got till 10:30, so we got like an hour and a half left. But yeah, a bit annoying. There was plenty of bait, but just nothing on the tube this morning. So, but it happens, eh? Sometimes you can have these sessions that are just quiet. There's nothing on, so. We'll try to get out into the open and see if we can get any action. Nah, there's movement. Whatever it is, it's on. I think it's a big ray. Yeah, because it's moving. Probably a huge stingray. Didn't run or anything. But it's not fucking... Feels like dead weight, yeah. Where are you? Yeah, big stingray.
Oh, look at him.
Oh, he got off. There you go. Stingray. One catch of the day is stingray. You. Have a go at the conditions on it. The fishing hasn't been that flash today, but the weather has absolutely turned it on for us. How good is that, eh? Glass off. Just quietly though, how nice is the sunset on it? Absolute glamour conditions. It's been an absolute pearler of a day today. The weather was off tap. Bait was there. On paper, should have been an absolute stunner of a day. And it was, but the fish just weren't there to back it up. So that's alright. We go again next time. Bigger and better, hopefully. But cheers for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.